Nellie's is known for their environmentally friendly products, and these dryer balls are one of their most popular products. You will be putting these 4 balls into the dryer, and they are known to shorten the drying time, soften your fabrics, reduce wrinkles without the use of nasty chemicals. They have a 2-year guarantee or 500 loads. I've owned these for 2 years and I'm still using these. I'll put 4 of these in a mixed load here. Nellie's Lamby dryer balls have been around for a long time. I've owned these for 2 years and they're good for 500 loads and they're guaranteed for 2 years. Here it says safe and natural fabric softener, soft and silent, and these are pure New Zealand wool. So my dryer is running right now with the 4 balls in it, and you can tell it is pretty quiet. So I highly recommend these balls. They're great for the environment and you won't need any more dryer sheets.